Look at this. That just tipped over right there. Right there, that just tipped over. There's no basketball over there. It was hailing. See this little ice? And now, like, it's clearing up, I think. Maybe. It's not as hard as before, but it said flash flood alert. It looks like it's going pretty bad. Yeah, I don't think it's going to flood. It's clearing up now. There's no water left. Yeah, that's my dad coming. Maybe. What's that? Yeah, what's that? Nope, it's not my dad coming. It's water. Bruh, I picked this up. Dang, it's flooding. Bruh, look how deep this is, bruh. Dang. Bruh. Gosh, this is deep. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Zoom out, zoom out. My basketball over there, now I gotta pick this up again. This is deep, bruh. I'm home alone here. Pretty tough. I'm soaking and wet. But it's clearing up, so well, it's not going to flood. It's not as bad as it was before. Don't think it is. Wait, just go out there one more time and show you how deep this is. Like, it's got pretty deep, but it's clearing up now. Going to sewer. But bruh, look, my whole time. It's like, bruh, this is deep. How deep this is. It's like I'm like in a baby pool. This is deep. It's really deep. Like, it's almost up to right there, but all the water is going in now. So, I think that's all. I just want to come out here and see what's happening. First it was hailing, it was really bad. I was scared for a second. I was like, oh my gosh. Now, it's just over. It's over. Just sprinkling now. Seems like to me. Yeah, it's clearing up. Okay. Rainbow should be out soon. Okay. This is gonna be